Sarah Jacobson, Marketing Artfully. Today we're going to be talking about 5 ways to make more videos. And if you're anything like me, when I'm finding a new person to follow or I have a wee minute, I am way more likely to pop open a YouTube, pop open a video, go to somebody's blog post and see a video on Facebook, and spend a few minutes watching a video than I would be to read a long blog post and do things like that. So today I'm going to talk about 5 ways as a business owner you can make more videos. Number 1 is going to be make them from your comments and your emails. There's a thing called, sorry, my dog's down there. There's a thing called curse of knowledge where as you get more and more proficient in your business, you forget what you needed to know when you started or what your customers need to know when they're starting early on. And the people that comment on your blog posts or respond to your email are giving you great suggestions for what you should talk about. And those can be very short. Those can be 2 to 3 minute answer. The nice thing for me when I do this is I have a very specific answer I can send to that person that asked me a question, but it also gives me a video that I can put onto YouTube. I tend to share mine on YouTube more than anywhere else. Because I like to share them then to my blog post if I have a topic that they would be relevant for, which increases the time on page for my blog. Number 2 is going to be Facebook Lives. Facebook is promoting live video where you open your laptop, you open your phone, and you're broadcasting live. I don't do as many of those because I have 3 children, 2 dogs, 2 cats, a business, and I don't really have time to do it consistently, which I think is one of the things that Facebook really rewards. I focus on doing recorded videos that I can do now and then launch one a day, one every other day, rather than trying to find a time where I can consistently do Facebook Lives. But I have some clients and past clients that I see their Facebook Lives and they're doing very well doing them. So that's another way you could make more videos without making it this big deal, right? Doing a live isn't that hard. Number 3 is going to be doing stories. Now, Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat have what are called stories. And what this is just kind of little glimpses into your life. And I really struggled with what this meant. And I asked my children because they like to do stories, and they said, Mom, it's just a little peek behind the scenes. It's something you would never save. It isn't something that's nice enough to save. So luckily, I figured out how to do stories for my vintage store. You can see over here, I take pictures, and what I'll do is I will take pictures of the vintage item. And that's something that I would share as a regular post to Facebook or Instagram. But then what I'll do is I'll grab my phone and I'll do a Facebook Live or an Instagram Live story and show behind the scenes, because they usually disappear in about 24 hours, I believe it is. And that way it's just a little glimpse. Some people watch them. I think they're watched less than some of the other lives or some of the other videos that you could do. But in actuality, it takes just a couple of minutes. You could do, I know one guy that does thoughts from his car, and he could just do a little video story every day about thoughts from his car. Or if you were, say, a realtor and you had a closing, you might want to do a little Facebook or a Facebook story of your closing, picture of the title work, a picture of your happy people, a little video where they do that. My problem always comes with stories is if I'm going to do all that work, I want to do it of a quality that I can save it and put it on my blog and share it. But there are opportunities for doing those lives. You can add videos to your blog posts. So if you're a blogger like I am, one of the videos that I'm going to do today is actually just taking some of the bullet points, the headings of my blog post, and talking about them in a video like this, where I'm just doing a talking head video and telling them a little bit about it. Number 1, it helps your time on site, and number 2, it helps make people like you. There are many different mediums that people like. With video, you get visual, you get audio. With the written word, you only get visual. And so the more you can actually do videos where you're talking to people and connecting with them, the more they'll like you. Number 5, don't always stick to the same kind of video. We talked a little bit about this. I tended not to do talking head videos. I did all screen capture videos, technically how to do things. And when I started doing more talking head videos where I was connecting with people, I started getting a lot more response from different people. The people that liked my old videos really liked my old videos, but the people who like to connect with people actually liked my talking head videos. And then when you're doing your Facebook Lives, different people are going to find you there. And if you're doing stories on Instagram, different people are going to find you there. I think that one of the main goals of this video is to show you all the different little ways you can make quick videos, not these, professionally produced, very polished videos, but ways that you can really do small little snippets around where you can start to connect more with your audience. So I had 2 more things that I wanted to give you as things that really help me make videos. So number 1 is to get up, and this applies mostly to ladies, I guess it could apply to your men, is to get up and put on some makeup. I have found that if I have to go over there and put on my eyeliner and put on some makeup, that I'm a lot less likely to pop over and make an email or to make a video. I'm a lot less likely to pull up my phone and do that because there's that little speed bump of having to do something. So if you think it's going to be a day that you're going to make some videos or that there's an opportunity to make some videos, just put on your makeup. I wear black shirts, so mine's really easy. But if you like to dress for your videos, go ahead and put on a nicer shirt. You can wear blue jeans or your jammy bottoms if you want, but make sure that you look kind of video ready. And the other thing that I really find to be helpful is I make a whole bunch of them at once. For the stories, I believe they've extended the timeline a little bit. You can upload them if you've done them a wee little bit ago. But for YouTube, I can make a video. I just uploaded a video that I had made in December, and it's February now because I had made a whole bunch of them at once, and I have kind of a bank of them. And now whenever I want to upload a video, I don't have to go through this whole production. I don't have to plug in my mic. I don't have to do all that. I just upload one of the ones that I made a while ago. Hopefully that helps you make more videos. Tara Jacobson, Marketing Artfully.